Hello car enthusiasts and TheCarTruthh viewers. A small car revolution is happening right now. Meet the Toyota Aygo X. If you think it's just a city car, think again. Because this is not a common hatchback. This is the urban crossover. The Aygo X is bold and aggressive in its design. Its high driving position and SUV-inspired cladding give it a confident stance on the roads. The sharp lines of the LED headlights and the bitone body option make it instantly noticeable in a crowd. But what does this aggressive design give the Aygo X? The truth is, this added height allows you to tackle urban curbs, speed bumps, and rough roads with much greater ease. You get the comfort of a big car while enjoying the easy parking of a small one. Now, let's look under the bonnet. The Aygo X comes with a 1.0-litre V VTI engine. Yes, 72 horsepower might not push you back into your seat. But here's the real truth from TheCarTruthh. This engine is a fantastic economy machine designed purely for urban use. Thanks to its lightweight structure, fuel consumption is remarkably low. If you're buying an Aygo X, you are buying peace of mind for your wallet and a smooth city experience, not pure performance. Inside, technology and practicality come to the forefront. The large infotainment screen integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the real feature here is the generous field of view and interior airiness compared to its rivals. As you can see with our window view visuals, the Aygo X feels breathable inside, despite its small footprint. The colors and cockpit layout feel young and dynamic. So, who is the Toyota Aygo X for? The answer is simple. It's for city dwellers who demand low fuel consumption but don't want the low ride height of a typical hatchback. It perfectly combines the agility of a small car with the confident, high-riding comfort of an SUV. It is one of the most compelling players in this specific market niche. Today on TheCarTruthh, we discussed the real facts about the Aygo X. Do you think the Aygo X is the best in its segment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next truth. Goodbye.